lot of people have wooden trains. They are very detailed, and some are even custom made. Well, you may have some that are just a little too plain and boring looking. Well, here's how we can spice them up a little. Things that you will need to make your own custom. 1. A million wooden trains. Yeah. 2. A printer. And 3. A computer. The next thing you want to do is look up what kind of train or picture you want. The next thing you want to do is bring it into either Paint or Paint.net and rectangle select it. And let me just do that for a second. And shrink it. Then you want to save it, and then exit, and look for it. The next thing you want to do is print it, of course. Now you want to cut it out. Much better. Wait, what do you mean you don't have to? Thank you. The next thing you need is your wooden train, of course, and you want to put on the no. Wait a minute. Dang it! Meep. Next, you want to glue it. And that's how you make a custom wooden train.